Have you ever wondered, how did the galaxies, those vast constellations of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, come into existence? Well, let's dive into the universe's past and uncover the story of galaxy formation and evolution. Imagine the universe shortly after the Big Bang, a hot, dense sea of particles. As the universe cooled, these particles began to coalesce, forming the first atoms. These atoms were primarily hydrogen and helium, the simplest and lightest elements on the periodic table. As the universe continued to expand and cool, these atoms were drawn together by gravity, forming vast clouds of gas. Now picture these gas clouds with their immense gravitational pull, attracting more and more atoms. Over millions of years, these clouds grew denser and hotter until eventually their cores ignited, birthing the first stars. These stars began to cluster together, forming the first galaxies. But the story doesn't end there. Over billions of years, galaxies evolved, influenced by their environment and their own internal dynamics. Some galaxies collided and merged, creating larger, more complex structures. Others were torn apart by gravitational forces, their stars flung out into the void. In the heart of many galaxies, supermassive black holes lurked, their intense gravity shaping the galaxies around them. Stars were born, lived and died, their deaths often explosive, sending out waves of energy and matter that could trigger the birth of new stars. Over time, galaxies became the diverse, beautiful structures we see today, from spiral galaxies like our own Milky Way to elliptical and irregular galaxies. Now let's recap the journey we've taken. We started with the universe shortly after the Big Bang, a hot, dense sea of particles. These particles coalesced into atoms, which were drawn together by gravity to form vast clouds of gas. These clouds ignited to form the first stars, which clustered together to form the first galaxies. Over billions of years, these galaxies evolved, colliding and merging, being torn apart and reshaped by supermassive black holes. Stars were born, lived and died, their deaths often triggering the birth of new stars. Today, we see a universe filled with diverse, beautiful galaxies, each with its own unique story to tell. And so, the tale of galaxies is a tale of the universe itself, a tale of creation and destruction, of birth and death, of complexity arising from simplicity. It's a tale that reminds us of our own place in the cosmos and the incredible journey that led to our existence. It's a tale that continues to unfold as we peer deeper into the universe and uncover more of its mysteries.